Welcome to the weekly challenge. We are currently working on a small start to finish project together. Each week builds upon the last week, but don't worry, if you get behind a week or two or struggle to get something working, you can still pick up the next week. It won't be easy, but you can do it. I provide all the materials you need to tackle each week independently, which means that if you rely on a class library from the previous week, you'll get a DLL with that class library inside of it. You won't get the source code, you'll get the DLL, okay? But the key thing here is don't skip weeks, okay? Start from the beginning, go through this challenge, and build this complete start to finish application with us as we go throughout the weeks. Now, this week, the challenge is to build a simple data access layer. Now, if you're not familiar with the weekly challenge, let me explain. Each week, I challenge you to tackle a topic in C#. I give you all the materials you need to get started, and each challenge will take you less than an hour, usually, to complete. That isn't a lot of time to dedicate to improving your C# skills, but I guarantee you, if you do a challenge each week, your skills will grow. If you're interested in how I would do it, or if you get stuck, you can follow the link in the description to sign up for my solutions. The best part is you get all the back issues of the challenge as well with their solutions. Now, either way, the other link in the description will give you the challenge file associated with this challenge. Okay, so the challenge here is to implement a data access interface with a class that stores information in a text file or set of text files. Okay, so we're going to do data access, but it's going to be really simple. I want the first data access, and there's a little clue there, the first data access to be as simple as possible with nothing you need to install on your computer. That means text files is a good option. So the key, though, in the primary challenge is to implement that interface, the iData Access interface, with a class that does text file storage. But don't change the interface we've already established. So make sure that you don't make changes, otherwise you're probably doing something wrong. As long as you've implemented or created the interface properly, you should not need to change it based upon which type of data access you're doing. SQL, MongoDB, text file. It should all be the same interface. All right? So make sure that you do that. That's the primary challenge. Now, the bonus challenge is to make your data access a little bit more robust and a little bit better. So ensure you're handling the exceptions that might get thrown by this process. So if you're converting from your text file data to So therefore, you have to ask for an iConfiguration, which gets injected through the constructor. Don't just create your own iConfiguration. I want you to ask for it through the constructor, because we'll set up dependency injection to pass that through properly and not create dependency on a low level. We want those dependencies to be up top. So Make sure that you're handling exceptions properly and renaming those messages, and also that you're asking for and getting an I configuration and then using that to locate your 4 text files. Okay, that's your bonus challenge. So the primary challenge is just get some text file data access working based upon our interface, and then the bonus is to make that text file data access a little bit more robust and a little bit more long-term focused. Okay, so that is your challenge for this week for data access. Hopefully you've got the concept and hopefully you're ready to go. Good luck and happy coding.